So this is Beamer, which is kind of a presentation software. Like we have MS PowerPoint. So in LaTeX or you can say mathematical research work, we generally prefer Beamer. So it is just very simple to use. Just write whatever content we have, and then LaTeX will take care of all this. So this is my code for my Beamer slides. There are around 26 slides here. We can download it from here. Let me show you from, yeah, I've downloaded it here in the page present, right? Wait, charge is not. So this is my Beamer presentation. First we will see introduction to Beamer, then how to start Beamer, themes in Beamer, block, math environment, and the overlays. So Beamer is a LaTeX class, that is, we saw that document class, article or book, poster. So similarly we have a different class like Beamer. So to start Beamer, what we have to do is like this: document class Beamer, after that backslash use theme. We have to use a theme here, like Madrid we can use, or Warsaw, you can use any theme. After that we have to use begin document. See here, end document, we have to end it like in LaTeX. And after that we have to use begin frame, name of the frame, and then content, and then end frame. Like this is my frame, name of the frame is starting Beamer, and these are my content, right? So this is basic syntax. We can also create a title page in similar fashion, just like in LaTeX. Yeah, we saw in that using backslash make title, we created a title in LaTeX. So we can also create in Beamer also. So to insert graphics in title page, we can use backslash title graphic command in preamble and insert link of the image here as we do in LaTeX. Okay, so to use footnote in the title page, we can use backslash thanks curly braces, and to use logo we can use backslash logo in preamble and then insert link there like in LaTeX. Okay. See here, this is my first page. So these are my title page. I've included graphics here of tech, and the bottom you can see footnote, and then I've used logo like shoe. So for this we can use backslash logo, that are not most important. Now we'll see themes in Beamer. So different themes available like Madrid, Warsaw, Berkeley, Cambridge, US, and Ann Arbor. There is an option to use color theme in addition to the main theme. It is used to mainly to change the color of the selected theme. So we can use backslash use color theme, and in curly braces the name of the theme to change the color theme. So one such example is Bebo. So I've also changed the theme of my presentation. Now the next is blocks. So we can create a blocks like this. Like first one is standard block. For this we have to use backslash begin block and end it with end block, and inside it we have to write our content, and we can also write our title here inside curly braces, right? Next is alert message. So for creating an alert block, we can use alert block instead of a simple block. For example, we can use example block. Okay. uh, Actually I have changed the color here. By default the color of these blocks are blue, red, green, like this. But I have changed it here using set beamer color in the preamble. Like in preamble, I have set this set beamer color inside it alert block title, and then bg is equal to red, that is background is equal to red, and fg is equal to green, that is foreground is equal to green. And for body we can use set beamer color, block body, and then bg is equal to red. Okay, that's it. For these are my math environment, so these were block and these are my math environment. This is similar to the block. We can use begin definition, enter title name, and end definition. This will look similar to the block, but it is math environment. Again, this is begin example, begin theorem, begin corollary, and the begin proof. So overlays. So before understanding overlays, first look at the difference between frame and the slide. So frame, the environment that defines a one presentation unit, and the slide is the visible output seen by the audience when the frame is displayed. So see, this is a single page, right? So this is a slide, but a group of two or three slide becomes a frame. Like say this is first page, second page, third page, fourth page, and fifth page. So there are five slides here in one frame, and this is my single frame. Inside a single frame there were five slides, right? So similarly, it is the difference between frame and slide. A single frame can produce multiple slides using overlays. See, this my single frame. Inside it, this is my first slide. After after stopping it, we presented second slide. Then we took a pause, and then we showed third slide. Similarly, after stopping, we saw fourth and then in fifth. So we can use overlays here. So we can create overlays using pause command, that is backslash pause. It offers the easiest ways to create the frame with multiple slides. So suppose we create a begin frame, and then after some content we can use backslash pause. So anything written before pause will appear first, and then we have to enter, then only the next slide will appear. See here, you can see everything is written here. So this is the line after pause, and all these things, see these are all the things, and after that we have written backslash pause in my code. So this will appear only after you can move to the next page, and this is again after the next line, right? Now sometimes we want something to be shown in only one slide and not in other slide, right? So for this we can use backslash only, and then this angle bracket I, and then this our content. This I represent which slide, that is ith slide, like 1 2 3 4. If I want that it only to be shown 2 and 3 slides, so we can use 2-3. And if I want this to show in every slide after second or third, we can use 3 dash and like this, right? If we want to do the same with some environment, then we have to use begin environment name, and then after angle bracket I, so it will work. Like for list we can use backslash item, angle bracket I, so it will work like this. There are some common errors that we usually do in beamer, so we can keep some points in our mind. Like while using verb environment, we have to always use fragile in frame, like this, backslash begin frame, and then fragile in a square bracket, this frame name. And we should try using verbatim here. It creates some error in beamer. While making table of content, remember that table of content do not include frame title. It only includes section name. So ensure that we have used section in it or not. If we have not used section, so it will not show in table of content. And if we want to hide our subsection, so we can use backslash table of contents hide all subsection. It will hide all subsection only, it will show subsection, it will only show section. So by default text and beamer are left aligned, but we can make it justified by using package raise2e and using command backslash justifying before starting text. Every other thing which are not discussed here can be treated as same in LaTeX. So commands are more or less like same. So thank you. You can see. So this was my beamer. This is my code which I have used here. A simple, very simple code, just 150 lines. And after beamer, only one topic is left, that is PS trick, which will be discussed in next